And reacting to the Prime Minister's statements during this mega rally in Doda, National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah was quick to give his big statement. He's saying, why did the BJP form an alliance with the PDP if the Gupkar parties or these regional parties have destroyed Jammu and Kashmir? He also said that despite the abrogation of Article 370, still encounters continue across the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So this after the Prime Minister hit out at the three regional parties, the NC, the PDP and the Congress, holding them responsible for ruining the future of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. We have the reaction of Omar Abdullah. Let's just play that out.
जब बीजेपी को इन फैमिलीज में से किसी की मदद की जरूरत थी, तब हम बर्बादी के जिम्मेदार नहीं थे। अभी मुश्किल से 5-6 साल हो गए पीडीपी के साथ, तो बीजेपी का जम्मू कश्मीर में रिश्ता था, तब उनको पीडीपी में कोई खराबी नजर नहीं आई। जब वाजपेयी साहब को मिनिस्टर बनाना था और उनकी नजर मुझ पे पड़ी, तब हम में कोई खराबी नहीं थी। आज इलेक्शन के दौरान इनको खराबी नजर आ ही जाती है। आप यकीन माने, कल को अगर बीजेपी के नंबर कम पड़े और पीडीपी ने उनको दोबारा मदद करने का फैसला किया, उनको पीडीपी में कोई खराबी नजर नहीं आएगी।
Let me go straight across now to Arunima for more on this. Arunima, all right, that's a sharp rebuttal coming in from Omar Abdullah saying that, well, the BJP only sees convenience politics and they even aligned with the PDP, something that was unheard of. But they came together to form the government. But the fact that the Prime Minister stresses so much on these three parties that for years have promoted nepotism and have actually led to the deterioration of the state is also something that was welcomed by the people in Doda.
The Prime Minister and the Home Minister both, if you read between the lines, the sharpest attack is reserved for the Congress and the National Conference. And that is also something that NC Congress combined are highlighting. What they're saying is that you've joined hands with PDP in the past, you will not hesitate to join hands with them again. The reason you're going after NC and Congress is because you fear that they are your biggest challenger at the moment. That's the narrative with which National Conference and Congress are hitting the ground. Here in Jammu, there is, traditionally a groundswell in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Doda is no different. The entire Jammu division, traditionally, even though Doda has a significant presence of the Jamaat, and the Jamaat traditionally has supported the PDP. So that's like the X factor there. Prime Minister spoke about the Dogras. Prime Minister spoke about how the Jammu region in general has suffered because the politicians have always been from the valley. But the mood here is more to ask about, governance. That this election is coming almost a decade later. What is it that all parties have to offer in terms of governance? And that is, I think, the Prime Minister's trump card. Jammu, from where I am coming to you live, you will see the infrastructural development that is happening. All stretches from Samba to Jammu are under construction. There's expressway being built. There's a new AIMS here, which is a flagship program for the BJP. And the Prime Minister also listed all the other development initiatives that his government has taken and contrasted that with the hartals, the stone peltings, the school shutdowns that were there when NC and PDP were in power.
You also got a chance to speak to the IG BSF Jammu, Mr. D.K. Bura. Arunima, are there any concerns with the latest uptick in violence, and especially the terror activities that one is getting to see in Jammu? He sounded very confident in that interview. He, in fact, has promised and has assured that this election will be free and fair. But any other lingering concerns that the Border Security Force has?
See, look at the messaging. Even when the Prime Minister was in Doda, the final goodbyes were being said to two army men who attained martyrdom in Kishtwar. Two others are in a critical condition, we are told. So that messaging is not lost on anyone, that terrorism has made a comeback to Jammu area, which was supposed to be peaceful. And therefore, be it the BSF, be it the Indian Army, be it the additional troops from the Assam Rifles or CRPF who have been pushed in, their task is cut out. They have to ensure that voters feel confident enough to go out and cast their vote. What the National Conference, the Congress, the PDP are underlining is that when Prime Minister speaks about terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, how can he completely obliterate what is happening over the last 3 or 4 months? And it is a reality. The terrorism has made a comeback to Chenab Valley after decades of peace. However, you see how the tide is turning. Yes, we have lost lives in Kishtwar, but we've also eliminated terrorists in Kathua. We are now taking up positions on the higher reaches, which the forces had to abandon in a way because peace had returned and because they were moved to Galwan. So we did suffer some setback, but if you speak to BSF, Army and the other personnel here on duty, they feel confident that the tide has started turning and they will be able to ensure peace once again in this region.
Absolutely. And he also said that though Jammu border always remains challenging, one has to see, the kind of peace that has returned in the valley, and that is evident. The kind of stone pelting that one used to see, Arunima, in the past. The Prime Minister in his speech during that rally hit out at these three parties in particular. He held them responsible for the deterioration and degradation of the state, and he also take a jibe at the PDP and the National Conference. What is the mood like in Jammu from where you're reporting? What are the people feeling about these elections which are happening after a decade, and how much of development actually has happened in the region? Jammu is still struggling with the issue of jobs.
See, 2-3 things. First, the Lok Sabha elections gave you some sense of which way the wind is blowing. The fact that Omar Abdullah could not save his own seat in the valley and he lost to Engineer Rashid is a huge, reflection of the mood in Kashmir Valley.